So this is going to be a revision, or I guess more of a part 2 on the first video I did on the Accord shifter. I'm currently parting out my Accord because the motor took a crap on me, and there's metal shards in the exhaust ports. So I'm putting all my stock parts back on. I already got my Prelude shifter out, so I'm just going to show you guys how to put that thing back on, and for taking it off it's just the same thing backwards. It's going to be kind of difficult to film by myself, but I'll try and give it my best shot. There's a little plastic clip here, so this can't rotate that way. So you got to put it in. There's only one way to put it in, and then you rotate this whole thing all the way around. Wasn't all the way in. There we go. And it's in there. This one pushes in. This gets set down. This clip has to be pushed all the way in there. And then there's 4 12mm bolts that just go straight down in here. This is a 10, and then this has a bolt and cotter pin.